Yeah. No auto-tune. Hello. Hi, Jason.
Hi.
Hello, everybody. Whoa.
I'm just kidding.
I thought, wait, huh? I thought you weren't eating those. Huh. Oh, this is tasty.
Thanks for making me one.
Oh, well, you didn't ask. I'm the hostess with the mostess. I put the hostess in the cake. What are they called again? Hostess cupcakes.
Hostess Twinkies?
How dare you? I haven't been a Twinkie since 1984. Nope. But Nashville Hot Chicken has been in the news. Just had to call my friend, low carb love. And I said, listen, I like that Nashville Hot Chicken Dip you talking about over there. Love that it's low carb for you. This is brown sugar. She used a sweetener. That's not how I'm gonna roll today, right? I like to keep my body guessing. So we are gonna make the Nashville Hot Chicken Dip. It's so good. So that's what we're making today. We might throw in a little treat at the end. Other than that, get ready for class to begin. So first thing is to make your cheese mixture. I don't even know if it has a name. So it's going to be 1 block of cream cheese. I just got 16 ounces, right? That's it for you. 16 ounces of cream cheese. 1/3 cup of sour cream. This is a tablespoon of garlic salt. I just use this, just mix this up. Before you start this, because the recipe is pretty simple, just make sure you heat your oven to 350 degrees because you're gonna end up baking this for 20 minutes. You're gonna thank me later. Okay, that is nice and taken care of. I do wish I had a smaller dish, but I don't. So it doesn't come out as gorgeous as somebody else's. Some people say I have a Southern accent. I wish I really did.
Who said that? Who said that? Who had been saying that? Who said that?
Easy breezy stuff. Let's take our little bacon strips. I'm gonna cut them up, dice them, have a little fun with it. They're like squiggly little things today. Oof. Little jalapeno. I really fell in love with jalapenos. Really fell in love with them during the pandemic. I really did. Make my spicy margarita with it, put it on my pizza. Olympia starts to put it in my omelets in the morning.
Smells like love.
So you're gonna get your skillet hot. You like your skillet to get hot. You want that bacon to sizzle, not just go, it's a warm summer day. I mean, you can come up with a different analogy if you want, but just trying to tell you. Yes. I just let that do its job. You're gonna need this in a little bit. One for good luck. And then, excuse you. Ooh, hot. Shredded chicken. Do you smell those jalapenos and the bacon?
Oh my God.
Now all of that bacon fat that is, come out of our little strips, all of that bacon grease is going to be absorbed into the chicken. I know, healthy, right? Healthy. This is from my friend Cassie and Steve. Oops, I'm drunk. All right. Now, we're gonna get our shredded, aged, sharp cheddar. Ooh-wee. We make our sauce. So this part's easy. You just melt a half a stick of butter. So you could use any hot sauce you want. I was trying to get the Taco Bell hot sauce, but they're sold out everywhere. What's going on? So this is just some red hot sauce, and it's a 1/4 cup. There you go. Brown sugar, which is a tablespoon. A little 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing. It's this good old stuff. It's this. Yeah, don't burn the butter.
Hungry, nice small bacon.
Yeah, dear. Okay, then you do equal parts of cayenne pepper, chili powder, and paprika. All right, is the butter melted? Come on, butter. Pour that in. Look at that. Now pour this over. Easy breezy. Now it goes in your oven for 20 minutes, 350 degrees. It's gonna be amazing. So with this dip, you're gonna need chips. Tortilla chips to be exact, but because this is Bobby Boy Living, we're gonna make our own chips. Show you how, super quick. Okay, all right. Take our little tortillas. We have our oil on the fire. Yeah, oil on the fire. This could be a good country song. And you just cut your tortillas in little triangles. Ooh! Oh! I like that. Oil is getting hot. Take your wooden spoon, so you don't throw water in here because you have a fire and you can't put out. So you take your little wooden spoon, dip it in, and if it starts doing this, your oil is hot enough to fry. You're welcome. Oh yeah. I don't want them to really stick together. All right, we don't want it to get too hot. So we're gonna turn our heat down. So you don't want them to burn. These are nice. These are looking nice and crispy. So I like my chips real crispy. Looks like a good chip to me. Ooh. And while they're hot, you want to salt them. Nothing like a homemade chip. Okay, the dip is done. Time to pull it out. Okay, come here, my friend. There we go. Now we're gonna put our little pickles on. And we do have more pickles in the fridge, thank you, Jesus. Oh, that's enough. I'm eating the profits. Well, as I told you in the beginning of this video, I already know this tastes good. So I'm gonna taste it for you, so maybe you can live vicariously through me. Put it like that, like so, like that. Little pickle. What you thinking, Jason? Mm-hmm. It's bulletproof. Yep. Listen, have you ever seen something better looking than this? Homemade chip, salty, dill pickle, and then it's gonna be worth every mile I have to run for having the carbohydrates. If you enjoyed yourself here today, I'm sure you've already made 2 cocktails. Hit the like button, please. Comment, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. That's all I have for you today. Just a fun little dip from your biff. I enjoyed you, I appreciate you, and I love you mucho. I will see you next week, or sooner. I might just pop in your kitchen. Until then, goodbye for now.